Welcome to the final leg of our Santorini journey. We have arrived in Oia, perhaps the most photographed village in the world, famous for its incredible architecture and even more incredible sunsets. The main street here is paved in marble, winding through a labyrinth of high-end boutiques, art galleries, and traditional cave houses. Oia is home to the island's most famous symbols, the blue dome churches. Their vibrant blue perfectly matches the deep hues of the Aegean Sea below. Getting the perfect shot requires navigating narrow alleyways, but the reward is a view that has inspired countless artists and dreamers. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. We now head to the tip of the village, to the ruins of the Byzantine castle. Once a lookout for pirates, it now serves as the premier spot for sunset watching. Nearby, the historic windmills stand as silent sentinels, a classic element of the cycladic landscape that has endured for generations. Far below Oia lies a moody bay. Its striking red volcanic cliffs contrast beautifully with the turquoise water, home to traditional fish tavernas. The houses here are unique, carved directly into the volcanic rock. These iposcafa houses were originally built by sailors and are now luxury retreats. Exploring Oia is about getting lost in its narrow alleys. Every turn reveals a new perspective, a hidden courtyard, or a secret view of the sea. The village seems to cling to the very edge of the caldera. It's a marvel of human ingenuity and natural beauty. The intricate details of the island's chapels are stunning. Each bell tower and dome is maintained with immense pride and care. Oia has become a symbol of Mediterranean luxury. Staying here offers an unparalleled sense of tranquility and elegance. The color palette is simple but powerful, the white of the buildings, the blue of the domes, and the vivid pink of the bougainvillea. From our vantage point in Oia, the volcanic islands in the center of the caldera look like sleeping giants in the deep blue water. Local artisans keep the island's traditions alive, crafting beautiful pottery and jewelry that capture the spirit of the Aegean. As late afternoon turns into evening, the golden hour begins. The white walls of Oia soak up the warm light, turning the village into a glowing masterpiece. A hush falls over the village as everyone gathers to witness the main event. It's a shared moment of wonder that brings people from all over the world together. And then it happens. The sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of orange, pink, and purple. It truly is the most beautiful sunset in the world. Our three-part walking tour of Santorini concludes here. We've traveled from the heart of Fira, through the volcanic wilderness, to the magic of Oia. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.